Bonjour les enfants! Hey kids! Today we're going to read this book. This book has colors, it has animals, it has objects, all sorts of things for us to learn French. We're going to learn them. I'm going to talk in French, I'm going to talk in English. I'll let you know what you're learning, and we're going to get through this awesome book together. All right, let's get started. Mon imagier jeu des couleurs. Okay, so what do we have first? Le rouge, red. Rouge is the red color. All right, let's see if we can find some cool objects here. La pomme, that's an apple. Les cerises, cherries of course. Le nez du clown, the nose of the clown. But this clown also has a red hat. Chapeau, chapeau is hat. What else do we have? La tomate, the tomato of course. Les bottes rouges. Les bottes. Botte is boots. La coccinelle. That's a funny word. Coccinelle is ladybug, of course. Look at that smiling ladybug. And we forgot, la fraise. Fraise, that's a strawberry. Now here it says, où est le poisson rouge? Where is the red fish? Poisson is fish. Is it up, 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 up? There it is, a smiling red fish. Poisson rouge. Poisson, fish, rouge, red. Okay, let's see what we got next. Oh, this is my favorite color. Bleu. Blue. Repeat after me. Bleu. All right, so now what do we have on this page? Lots of fish. Le dauphin. Dauphin is dolphin. Dauphin. We have this one. Le vert. Vert means glass. Not to be confused with vert, the color green, which we'll see later. In this case, vert is a glass. La fleur. Fleur is flower. We've got a blue, beautiful flower right here. La chaise. That is a blue chair. Le cube. Ah, the cube. And the cube has a few different objects. Un poisson. Fish. Une voiture. A car. Une étoile. A star. What else do we have? La baleine. The whale. Le pantalon. Blue. Pants. Pantalon is pants. La mer. The sea. Le ciel. The sky. And l'oiseau. Oiseau means bird. All right, now, où est la voiture bleue? Where is the blue car? Voiture is car. Let's go up again. Okay, let's see. Oh, there it is. Voiture bleue. Voiture, car, bleu. Blue. Let's see what we have next. Aha! Jaune, yellow. Jaune means yellow. We have lots of cool things on this page too. Let's see what we've got. Lion, a lion of course. Le soleil, the sun, which gives us light. La banane. Banane is easy. It's banana. Banane. Le poussin, this is a chickie. So it's kind of like a little birdie, but this chickie is the child of a chicken, and it is poussin in French. Ooh, look at this smiling bee. Abeille. Abeille. Then we have le ciré, a raincoat. We have le tournesol, which is a sunflower. Le tournesol. And l'étoile. Une étoile. Étoile is a star, of course. And what do we have here? Où est le citron jaune? Where is the yellow lemon? Oh, there's the yellow lemon. Look at that. Citron, lemon, jaune. yellow. What do we have next? Aha, green. Okay, so vert. Green is vert. La poire, the pear. That's kind of a light green. La poire. Le crocodile, the crocodile. That's a very smiley crocodile. Les petits pois, peas. This is what they come out of, by the way. Petits pois. In French, we say little peas to mean peas. Petit is little, pois is peas. La salade. This is like a salad, like lettuce. La salade. Le concombre, cucumber. That's a funny word. Concombre. Concombre. A little bit hard to say. Concombre. Lézard with his tongue out. Le lézard. That's a lizard. Le lézard. Oh, that's kind of a hard one to say. La tortue. Tortue. Try after me. Tortue. Tortue. That's a turtle. Et la feuille. Feuille is a leaf. And then here we have où est la grenouille verte? Where is the green frog? So let's see. Let's go this way. Oh, I got lucky this time. There's the green frog. Grenouille, frog. Verte, green. Vert, green. All right, next page. Oh, that's a cool color. Pink. Rose means pink. So, let's see. What do we have here? You know what? Let's start on this side with this guy. That's delicious. La barbe à papa. That is the cotton candy. That's what it's called. I almost forgot. Cotton candy in French. We say barbe à papa, which means the beard of daddy. Barbe is beard. A is of in this case. And papa means daddy. So this is kind of like a big beard. You can imagine a big pink beard. That's what I have. La barbe à papa is cotton candy. Here we have le ver de terre. Le ver de terre is a worm. La framboise, raspberry. Framboise. Le flamant rose. Flamingo. Le flamant rose. Le cochon, piggy of course, cochon, oink oink. We have papillon. Papillon means butterfly, le papillon. La robe, so this is a dress. Robe means dress, and this is a robe rose, a pink dress. And of course, my favorite, le cœur. Cœur means a heart. Rose, what a beautiful color. Now, what are we looking for? Où est la fleur rose? Where is the pink flower? That's not a pink flower. That's not a pink flower. Fleur rose, fleur rose. Oh, there it is. La fleur rose, the pink flower. Rose, pink. All right. What do we got next? We have orange, orange. Let's see. La carotte, the carrot, of course, is orange. La carotte. La chenille. Chenille means, what do we got? Caterpillar, right? Almost forgot. Chenille. L'écureuil. Écureuil is a little squirrel, of course. Étoile de mer, a starfish. Le poisson clown. Poisson clown. Clownfish. We say it in reverse. We say fish clown for the clownfish. Poisson clown. L'abricot. Abricot means apricot. We have le renard, which is a fox, of course, a sly fox. And l'orange. Orange. Like in English, we say orange to mean this fruit, which is, of course, an orange color. And here we have où est le crabe orange? All right, let's find the orange crab, not the red fish. Grenouille verte. Crabe orange. Où est le crabe orange? Le crabe orange est ici. Crabe, crab, orange, orange. There we go. We learned a lot of words today. We learned the colors. We learned about some animals. We learned about some objects. Watch the video again if you didn't catch something. If you like this video, please like it. If you love it, please subscribe. See you next time!